In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow effect to text using Adobe Express Editor. If you've ever wanted to give your text that extra bit of flair and depth, adding a shadow can make a significant difference. It's a simple yet effective way to make your text stand out, and I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, make sure you have your design file open in Adobe Express Editor. It's always helpful to start with your project ready and set, so you can jump right into the creative process. Once you have your design loaded, locate the text box to which you'd like to apply the shadow effect. Click on this text box to select it, as this is the vital first step that triggers the editing options in the Adobe Express Editor. Next, take a look at the left side panel of the editor. This is where you'll find various editing tools. We're focusing on text today, so you'll want to navigate to the text section and then to Effects. The Effects area is essentially your tool set for adding unique styles to your typography, and shadow is just one of many effects you can apply. Within the Effects options, you'll find the Shadow feature. Adobe Express Editor conveniently offers several built-in shadow styles to choose from. Take a moment to browse through these options to find one that suits your design aesthetic. Whether you're going for a subtle hint of depth or a bold offset to make your text pop, there will be a style that fits your vision. Once you've selected a shadow style, you might find it necessary to customize it further for your specific needs. To do this, click on the settings icon, which resembles a gear, next to the shadow effect. Here, you have a few customization options that allow you to fine-tune how your shadow appears. Start by adjusting the blur. This controls how soft or sharp the shadow edges appear. A higher blur setting creates a softer, more diffused shadow, while a lower setting gives a sharper, more defined outline. Next, take a look at the angle setting. This determines the direction from which the light source appears to be casting the shadow. Adjusting the angle can dramatically change the text's look and feel by altering the shadow's direction. You can also modify the distance setting, which affects how far the shadow is cast from the original text. Bringing the shadow closer will give a subtler depth, while increasing the distance provides a more pronounced effect. Finally, if the default shadow color doesn't quite fit with your design, feel free to choose a custom shadow color to better match your overall color scheme. After you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied with how your text looks, simply close out of the Effects panel. Your drop shadow will be automatically applied to the text, giving it a fresh and dynamic look. And that's it. Your text now has a stylish shadow effect that enhances your design in Adobe Express Editor.